days would be perfect.
Get it.
Keep on talking to her. I'm like, are you ready to come
Good
out
boy.
And she doesn't answer you.
again? No.
Yeah.
Sometimes she gives me a little kick, but
Not yet, Mom.
Yeah.
like, I'm nice and cozy in here.
What if he picked it up with his paw and whipped it at
And then yelled, "You're out."
Mike, that's the trick you need to teach him.
He doesn't have thumbs.
You gotta teach
He
him.
does, but they're not functional like that.
to the ball. Get your ball. To the ball.
Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball.
Oh, Mark.
Good boy. Good boy. You should probably go. Pushes it.